Good morning guys and welcome to another video. Right guys, today's video is a very short video on how to simplify fractions. So we're looking at Key Stage 2, Key Stage 3, GCSE Foundation and Higher. Okay, so you would have been introduced to this probably in primary school, but again obviously it is revisited in Key Stage 3 and GCSE. Right guys, so how to simplify a fraction. Okay, so we're looking at grade 2/3 for the GCSE curriculum 1 to 9. Okay, guys. So how to simplify a fraction? So the way we do it, guys, is we try and look for what we call the highest common factor. So a fraction, is an amount of the total. So if you think about, I've got like a pizza, let's say, okay, like a pizza, so like, and it's split into like 6 pieces, and I took one piece. That's the slice that I took here would be classed as a fraction, so it would be 1 out of 6. Okay, so a fraction is just the amount, like essentially, like taken out of the total. Okay, so that's what a fraction is guys. Yeah, so that's like a little summary. Right guys, so how to simplify a fraction. So I've got 4/10. Okay, that can be simplified to 2/5 because 4 and 10 both have a common factor of 2. So I can divide 4 by 2 to get 2 and 10 by 2 to get 5. So 2 is my highest common factor. Okay, it cannot be simplified any further because in maths, like when we say like simplifying something, we want the answer to be like, like we want the numbers to be like whole numbers. Okay, if that makes sense. So there cannot be any decimals like numbers that are not whole numbers. Although 2/5 is not a whole number, but you get the idea. So what I mean is like 2/5 actually, like they are both whole numbers. Okay. Even though it's not a whole number, if that makes sense, actually, yeah. So that's the lowest that I can simplify my fraction to. Okay, right. Example 1, guys. Simplify 10/12. Again, so both even numbers, so I can divide by 2, top and bottom. 5/6. Okay, so 5/6 here is my fraction. Okay. Example 2, guys. Simplify 8/16. So the highest common factor is going to be 8. Divide top and bottom by 8. I get a half. Example 3, guys. 3/9. Divide top and bottom by 3, I get 1/3. So it's looking at your highest common factor. If you're not sure about this, guys, check out my previous video that I made yesterday on highest common factors and lowest common multiples. Okay, yeah, like to actually like aid you with this video. Okay, example number 4, 15/35. Again, the highest common factor is 5. Okay, 3/7. Okay, and then example 5, 124/86. That's what I call an improper fraction because the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So it simplifies. So I've divided top and bottom by 2 there. I get 62/43, which is what I call an improper fraction, which can be written as a mixed number, which is 1 and 19/43. Okay, as a mixed number, for example 5. Example 6, last one, 7/9. It's a simplified where possible. Okay, so 7/9 actually cannot be simplified because there are no numbers common in both. Okay, so that's how, so I cannot simplify that one. Okay, so 7/9 because 7's a prime number, and then obviously like 9, obviously is not a prime number, so chances are, like not always, but if one of your numbers are prime numbers, then it's unlikely to be able to actually simplify that. Okay, so I hope that was actually clear, guys. And it's also actually, like the topic here actually is like equivalent fractions as well. So when I simplify my fractions, actually, these are all classed as like equivalent fractions. So 4/10 is the same as 2/5. So these are what I call like equivalent fractions as well. But it's equivalent fractions in its simplest form. Okay, so it's simplifying fractions in its simplest form. Right, guys, thank you for watching, and then check out obviously Cobber Maths actually, like worksheets, and then there's like another like YouTuber called like Primo's Kitten, which has like a lot of videos for maths actually, so like check them out as well, because they're very useful actually for GCSE and A-level maths. Okay, right, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my video. Next video will be about reciprocals actually, so like fractions looking at reciprocals. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye now.